Good morning, students. This is KK Bhatt here. Today, once again, I am here with the video of Footprint Without Feet of class 10th, the first chapter, A Triumph of Surgery. First of all, what is the meaning of triumph? Triumph means होता है बेटा victory. After surgery here, surgery just describe here as a hospital. And here victory over surgery आप कह सकते हो. Now see here, what is the नहीं पता. Here writer just to describe a story about Tricky. Tricky is a small dog, as you called it, puppy, that is feeling uncomfortable because of overweight. His mistress was a rich woman. That is why she always gave Tricky to eat more. So first, going on the topic, first we see here about the author. Just we understand. James Harriet, that is the veterinary surgeon and writer of this lesson. So first of all, see something about the author. James Harriet was the pen name of James Alfred Witt, also known as ALF Witt. Was born on 3rd October 1916 and died on 23rd February 1995. He was a British veterinary surgeon. He was a British veterinary surgeon and writer who used his many years of experience as a veterinary surgeon to write a series of books of stories about animals and their owners. He is best known for these semi-autobiographical works, which are often referred to collect collective as All Creatures Great and Small, a title used in some editions in film and television adaptation. This is something about the poet. Now we are going to understand the summary of this poem. First of all, I explain the summary of this poem. See here, what is the summary of this poem? Tricky was a small pet dog, and his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, was a very rich woman. That is why Mrs. Pumphrey gave her pet a five-star treatment. Five-star treatments. A huge almirah where different type of coats, different type of bowl, different type of molds, different type of toys, as so all menus. It means he has given a facility of five-star hotel. That is why Tricky become over fat, undercut of the over fat. Mrs. Pumphrey pampered Tricky by giving him what is favorite diet of Tricky? That is chocolate, cakes, juice, eggs, wine, and so on, many. And he was always greedy whenever he saw the meal. He always ready to eat either day or night. But she didn't. But she gave him to eat much, but she did not give him any exercise. But she did not give him any exercise. That is why Tricky became overfat and passive. That is why lazy कह सकते हो. So Tricky become overfat and lazy. Veterinary surgeon Dr. Harriet instructions of strict diet and a lot of exercise were grossly neglected. Why? Because Mrs. Pumphrey, when she cut down the meal of doggy, she always realized that dog may be become weak. That is why she provides him a lot of meal. Finally, uh, when she neglected the advice of Dr. Harris, at the result that Tricky's conditions worsened. Tricky's conditions worsened. He started to eat anything. He started to move here and there. He just started vomiting. His eye became red and rheumy. His eye became red and rheumy. Then after Dr. Harriet advised her to take Tricky to the hospital, surgery for treatment, and for 2 days he was given nothing but a lot of water. He did not play with other dog because of overfat. Neither he found him. Another dogs also did not find him interesting. They found him boring. That is why the other dogs left him, and Tricky was just sleeping, taking long breath, as one minutes. Third day, when Tricky showed some interest, moved out a little, and licked the empty food bowl of the other. Then after the next day, Dr. Harriet decided to serve him food with others, and he started playing and enjoying with the other dog. After that, he became cured and also started to take meal with the other dog, enjoying in this way the dog just being cured. The Dr. Harriet did not reply to Mrs. Pumphrey's question about coats, bowl, but told her that Tricky was recovering fast. She started sending egg, but after that she started sending egg and wine for him for speedy recovery. Dr. Harriet and his partner helped themselves to egg and wine sent by Mrs. Pumphrey. They did not give them to Tricky. They just started to eat 2 or 3 eggs as a breakfast, 1 or 2 glass of wine during before the meal, and many glass of wine during the meal. In this way, the 15 days time has been completed. Mrs. Pumphrey was asked to take Tricky back home. She was very happy to see hard muscles, flexible, normal dog that lived in her lap and licked her face. She thanks greatly Dr. Harriet and called it a success of surgery and called it a triumph of surgery or a success of surgery. Dear children, this is the brief summary of this lesson. Now see here what is the lesson. Tricky, a small dog, is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress. Understand well that Tricky was a small dog, but he was given much to eat by his rich mistress. That is why he falls seriously ill, and his mistress consulted veterinary surgeon does be perform an operation, does the dog recover? That is the question which has been asked by you. Okay. Now see here the next here read and find out. Here are given some question that you have to read and find out the answer. Why is Mrs. Pumphrey worried about Ricky? It's very easy question. You can able to get the answer. What does she do to help him? Is she wise in this? And who does I? I it means Dr. Harriet. Okay. So see here the first paragraph of this lesson. The first paragraph of this lesson. I was really worried about Ricky this time. I was really worried about Ricky this time. Mrs. Pumphrey. Here Dr. Harriet became worried when she saw the Ricky. यानी जब उन्होंने ट्रिकी को इस समय देखा तो बहुत चिंतित हो गए. I had pulled up my car. Pulled up means stopped. He said that he had pulled up. He had stopped his car. He had stopped his car. उन्होंने क्या किया? अपनी कार को रोक दिया. When I saw him in the street with his mistress. When he saw the dog in the street with his mistress. जब उन्होंने देखा डॉग को उसके मिस्ट्रेस के साथ तो उन्होंने अपनी कार को रोक दिया. And I was shocked at his appearance. The doctor was completely shocked to look him. Doctor was completely shocked to look him. He had become hugely fat. Why? Because he has become hugely fat, like a bloated sound, like a kebab. इतना वो मोटा दिख रहा हो गया था कि बिल्कुल एक कबाब जैसे लग रहा था, जिसके चारों पैर चारों कॉर्नर पर दिखाई पड़ रहे थे. छोटे छोटे पैर चारों कॉर्नर पर दिखाई पड़ रहे थे. His eye bloodshot. His eyes was completely red and rim. The water fall down from his eyes. उसकी आंखें बिल्कुल लाल थी और उसकी आंखों से पानी गिर रहा था. Stare straight ahead. वो सीधे देख रहा था. And his tongue lolled from his jaw. His tongue just came out from his jaw. And water flow through the tongue. Now see here the second paragraph. Mrs. Pumphrey hastened to hasten means hurried to explain. Mrs. Pumphrey wanted to explain quickly. He was so listless. He was so worried. मिस्टर हैरिट कहती हैं कि मिस्टर हैरिट, ये जो डॉग है वो पूरी तरह से लिस्टलेस हो चुका है, वीक हो चुका है, कमज़ोर हो चुका है. तो लैक एनर्जी, लिस्टलेस का मतलब लैक ऑफ एनर्जी, मतलब उसके अंदर बिल्कुल ताकत नहीं है. मिस्टर हैरिट, he seemed to have no energy. It's feel that dog has no energy. ऐसा लगता है जैसे डॉग के पास एनर्जी नहीं है. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. Malnutrition में lack of nutrition. Lack of nutrition का मतलब होता है कुपोषण. वो करे I thought, मेरा मानना है कि he must be suffering from malnutrition. Surely he has been suffering from lack of nutrition. मतलब आप कह सकते हो कि निश्चित रूप से वह जो है कुपोषण का शिकार लग रहा है. So I have been giving him some little extra between meals to build him up. That is why she has given him to eat extra between meals to build up, to make him strong. वो कहती हैं कि यही कारण है कि वह कुछ चीज़ें उसको एक्स्ट्रा देती हैं बिटवीन मील्स, भोजन के दौर बीच में. टू बिल्ड हिम स्ट्रांग. व्हाट शी सेज, सम माल्ट एज लाइक सम माल्ट, जो जानते हो तुम लोग पानी. कोड लीवर, कोड अ टाइप ऑफ फिश, कोड लीवर आयल फिश आयल. and a bowl of Horlicks. She also gave him a Horlicks, a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. At night to make him sleep, ताकि वो सो सके. Nothing much really, not more that. Then after Mr. Harriet asks, and did you cut down on the sweet things I told you? उसे पूछते हैं कि क्या आपने जो मीठी चीज़ें जो मैंने उसको देने से मना किया था, क्या उसमें आपने कुछ कट डाउन किया, क्या आपने उसमें कोई कमी की? ओ आई डिड फॉर ए बिट. वो कहते हैं कि वो आई डिड फॉर ए बिट, मैंने थोड़ा सा कोशिश किया था. बट ही सीम टू बी सो वीक, लेकिन जब मैंने कोशिश किया तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि जैसे यह और भी अधिक वीक होता जा रहा है. आई हैड टू रिलेंट मीन्स सॉफ्टेन. वो कह रही है कि मुझे यहाँ सॉफ्टेन होना पड़ा, रिलेंट होना पड़ा, उसके लिए रिलेंट होना पड़ा, रिलेंस होना पड़ा, सॉफ्टेन होना पड़ा. ही डज लव क्रीम, क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करता है. क्या पसंद करता है? क्रीम केक एंड चॉकलेट्स. सो आई कांट बियर टू रिफ्यूज़ हिम. दैट इज़ वाई she can't able to refuse him to give such type of diet. I looked down again at the little dog. Dr. Harris said that once again he looked at the dog. एक बार पुनः वो डॉग को देखते हैं. That was the trouble. उसकी परेशानी के कारण क्या? ओवर डाइट. ओवर डाइट इज द trouble of that dog. Tricky's only fault was greed. What is the weakness of Tricky? Tricky was a very greedy dog. He was a very greedy dog. Whenever he saw any fuse, he always ready to eat, either day or night. तो वही वो कह रहे हैं कि that is the Tricky fault. What is the Tricky fault? That he was a greedy. He had never been known to refuse food. He did not know how to refuse the food. मतलब वो भोजन को, मील को जब भी देखता था तो अपना लाड़ चुलाने लगता था और ग्रेडनेस शो करता था और उसको खाने लगता था. वह कभी भी भोजन खाने से रिफ्यूज़ नहीं करता था, चाहे जितना भी वो खा लिया हो. अगर उसको आप खाने को देते हो तो फिर पुनः वो क्या होता है? एग्री होता है. Ticky's only fault was greediness. He had never been known to refuse food. He never liked to refuse the food. He was tackle a meal. He would handle a meal. भोजन को किस तरह से हैंडल कर लेता था, किस तरह से खा लेता था. एट एनी आवर्स ऑफ द डे और नाइट, चाहे रात का कोई भी समय हो, दिन हो या रात के कोई भी समय हो, वो जो है भोजन लेने के लिए हमेशा तैयार रहता है. एंड आई वंडर अबाउट ऑल द थिंग्स. राइटर कह रहे हैं कि मुझे आश्चर्य होता है उसकी सारी चीज़ों को देख करके. मिसेस पंफ्रे डेट हैड नॉट मेंशन, जिसके बारे में मिसेस पंफ्रे ने मुझे नहीं बताया. बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जिसके बारे में मिसेस पंफ्रे ने उसे नहीं बताया. फिर वो कहता है, आर यू गिविंग हिम प्लेंटी ऑफ एक्सरसाइज. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन वो पूछते हैं कि क्या आप इसको प्लेंटी ऑफ एक्सरसाइज, बहुत ज़्यादा जो एक्सरसाइज की इसको ज़रूरत है उसे दे रही हैं. वेल ही हैज़ हिज लिटिल वॉक विथ मी. वो बताती हैं कि वो मेरे साथ थोड़े समय के लिए यात्रा के लिए जाता है. वेल ही हैज़ हिज लिटिल वॉक विथ मी एज यू कैन सी. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो ये प्रेजेंट में कि मेरे साथ थोड़ा सा टहलने के लिए आता है. बट हास्किंग दैट इज़ द नेम ऑफ हिज सर्वेंट, जिसको आप गार्डनर कह सकते हो. यहाँ गार्डनर दिया हुआ है, वो गार्डनर के रूप में उसके यहाँ काम करता है. हैज़ बीन डाउन विथ लम्बेगो. लम्बेगो मीन्स होता है बेटा लोअर बैक पेन, कमर के नीचे का दर्द. हैज़ बीन डाउन विथ लम्बेगो लोग बताता है कि जो उसकी गार्डन जो हस्किन हैं, जो गार्डनर हैं, उनको कमर लोअर बैक पेन हो रहा है. दैट इज़ वाई शी कांट एबल टू प्रोवाइड हिम एक्सरसाइज. सो देयर हैज़ बिन टू रिंग थ्रोइंग डील. लेटली मीन्स रिसेंटली. कह रहे रिसेंटली मीन्स तत्काल में जो रिंग थ्रोइंग गेम हम लोग करते थे उसके लिए हम करवाते थे, वो अभी समय पोस्टपोन्ड है. बिकॉज एट प्रेजेंट he was not here. That is why it's very difficult question to save your child. Otherwise it may be that is dangerous to the future of the dog. So my dear students, I think it is clear to all. That is the today's topic which I explained. I hope it is clear to all. Thanks to watch my video. I hope you will like, share and share in your group. Once again, thanks to watch my video.